Hi everyone, again, my name is Lola Utukoya, Africa Advisor here at Concordia, and I'm joined here by Noella Coursaris Masunka, founder and CEO of Malaika. Hi Malaika.
Hi, how are you? Thank you for having me today.
Oh, of course,
to be here at Concordia.
Of course. So please tell the community what Malaika is.
Malaika means angel in Swahili. So we're developing a mole model village in the southern east of the Congo through a school, a community center, agriculture, sanitation, and wealth program. So we started from learners to leaders, from 104 students to 314 students with free high quality education, where we offer the student to be equipped for the workforce in the future with IT classes, sport, art, music. They will be the next generation taking over intellectually Africa, their village, their continent, and globally.
And you're focusing on both boys and girls, or just girls?
Our focus is girls and communities. But we have at the community center, we teach mothers, fathers, sisters, brothers, youth, and a lot of boys. We have more than 5,000 people a year going to a community center where we offer different programs of learning in French and in Swahili and English.
Wow. So, what makes Malaika different from some of the other organizations on the continent who are focusing on young African women?
We are very focused on leadership, and we're very focused. We are a grassroots foundation. We are working in a village where there's no water, no electricity, very poor infrastructure, and we really want to develop a village and show that the government and other organizations need to really invest in rural villages and give the same chance to a student being in town or a girl being in a village. And we really need to elevate them. Our students arrive at 5 years old until 18 years old. Wow. And then we want to find scholarship for university or any technical school they would like to achieve.
And are there sort of programs and assistance that you provide them after they graduate so they can go on to university or get a job?
We are not we are not there yet because our students arrive at 5 years old. We opened a school 8 years ago, so now they're on secondary. But we do a very strong program of STEM and maths, where we even work with a teacher from Northeastern and Harvard University, where we do Skype session, and we're really developing. We really want to see out of our school some coders, some working in the tech world.
So right now there's a global conversation about getting women more into the tech sector. When they represent more than half of the world's population, it's only incumbent upon
woman power.
It's only incumbent upon countries to get extra GDP by focusing on such a vital part of the country. How can we encourage entrepreneurship amongst young African women?
I think it's very important. It's very important to have a very good conversation with the parent and the community and the government and the civil society that is very key to invest in girls' education. They are the future of Africa. We need to hear their voice. We need to give them a place in the society. We need to equip them to be the next thinkers and leaders of the continent. And it's really in investing not only in education, but in high quality education.
So throughout this conversation, I am ready to invest or provide money. How can the viewers out there support Malaika?
So you can visit our website, malaika.org. You can follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, every platform we're there. And of course on Facebook.
I'll let Noella get the last word. Thank you so much for joining on Facebook Live.
Thank you for having us.
Thank
and
you.
come to Congo, visit our program and everything that we're doing.
You heard her, she's inviting me, I'm going.
You're gonna meet Lauriane, Louise, Rose, they are definitely future shakers and agents of change in the Congo.
Okay, I love it. Thank you.
Thank you.